Welcome back to Healthy Eating channel. Today we will talk about detoxifying green smoothie. This detoxing green smoothie is high in vitamins A, C, K, iron, and high in minerals such as calcium, also is rich in fiber. This smoothie is great for detoxifying your blood. Ingredients for this green smoothie recipe: grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich with vitamins A, C, B1, fiber, and potassium. Grapefruit is also rich in enzymes which can help break down fat and can aid in weight loss. Cucumber. Cucumbers are refreshing and hydrating. Plus, cucumber is rich in fiber which can help with bone health. Beets. Beets are high in antioxidants and rich in nutrients. They also contain betaine which helps the liver rid itself of toxins. Ginger. Ginger helps settle the stomach and get rid of nausea. Turmeric. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory that works in the liver. Oats. Oats are high in fiber, and anti-inflammatory. Kale or spinach. These dark leafy greens are low in calories and really high in nutrients. They also help lower cholesterol. Plant-based milk. You can use any kind of plant-based milk you prefer, such as plain or unsweetened almond milk. Enjoy your smoothie and thank you for watching.